Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a kitchen gadget that proves you do not need a massive range to get some serious cooking done. We are talking about the Elite Gourmet Single Buffet Burner. Whether you are living in a tiny studio apartment, heading out on a camping trip, or you just need an extra burner during the busy holiday season, this compact device aims to deliver full-sized performance in a portable package. Let us dive right into the technical side. This unit packs 1000 watts of power into a coiled heating element. That is significant for a device of this size. It features an adjustable temperature knob that gives you 6 distinct heat settings. This range is designed to handle everything from keeping a sauce warm at a buffet station to boiling water for your morning coffee. The versatility here is the main selling point. It is not just for frying eggs, it is a legitimate secondary heat source for any busy kitchen. One of the most important aspects of any hot plate is the safety and build quality. Elite Gourmet has included a clear power indicator light on the front panel so you will never accidentally leave it on when you step away. It also features non-skid feet which are essential. There is nothing worse than a burner sliding across your counter while you are trying to stir a pot. The stainless steel drip pan located beneath the coil is a smart addition because it catches the inevitable spills and makes the cleaning process much faster. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons, starting with the positives. The portability is top tier. It is lightweight and easy to tuck away into a cupboard when you are not using it. The heat-up time is impressive given the wattage, and the 6-level temperature control is intuitive enough for anyone to use. The cleaning process is straightforward because the coil can be wiped down easily and the drip pan handles the heavy lifting. On the flip side, we have to address the nature of coiled burners. Because the heating element is exposed, it will take a little more care to keep clean compared to a flat glass induction cooktop. You also need to be mindful that it gets quite hot, so you should ensure it is placed on a heat-resistant surface. It is a simple tool, so it does not have fancy digital timers or touch screens, but for many users, that simplicity is actually a major benefit. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet Single Buffet Burner is a reliable, no-nonsense solution for anyone needing extra cooking space. It offers great value, consistent heat, and a compact design that fits into almost any lifestyle. If you need a secondary burner that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option to consider. Link in the description.